Hey guys, today let's learn how to send voice messages on the Threads app. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically send voice messages or upload voice messages on the Threads application or voice threads, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So guys, basically on the new update, or on the latest version of the Threads app, we do have some new features added to this application, and one of those is, of course, the voice threads option. So to basically have this, all we need to do is to make sure that our applications is updated to the latest version, and once that is done, go ahead and launch the Threads application, and I want you to go ahead and create a new thread on here. As you see, we do have only a few options. But as you see, we could also have this mic option right here, and we could actually utilize that and tap on this record button, tap on OK, and then we could record our own thread or our own voice thread and upload it onto the Threads app. Once you're done recording, just tap on that button once more and proceed with loading this. Once that is done, just tap on done. And as you see, we do have a transcription of what we just said, and also the voice recording right here on the bottom, and tap on post once you're done. And that's how you guys could easily use this new send voice messages or the new voice thread on the Threads app feature. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.